play quick. Oh, you hear that? Pow, pow, pow. Where? Right there.
Ready?
I don't know where my other one went though. I had two.
They jamming.
Alright, bet. All good, guys. Ready when you are.
Pops against the wall sound amazing, bro. I know what you mean with that little tap of the throttle, bro. It works every time, bro. You barely touch it. God dang. Yeah, this never used to be here. That's crazy. This car is so amazing.
Turn around.
Oh, we're turning around? Oh, a bit. You want to? Yeah.
Wow, man. Wow, fucking guy.
And I stayed in first gear. I was like,
in that fucking video.
Like,
Oh, I forgot you're driving, Brad.
Yeah, I'm not worried.
yeah. Hopefully he lets me rip it again, but I think I scared him just now. E92.
I like these type of roads.
Yo, amazing. He said I forgot he was driving.
He's open, bro.
Huh?
Austin's open.
Yeah. Yeah. Swap again. Oh, look at the Evo. Jeez. Oh, yup. Oh man, tall as shit, bro. Can never take this motherfucking car quickly at all. Yo, literally. Is this a road? shit wasn't lying. Downhill is totally different. Oh, some GTA shit, bro. You want me to swing it out a little bit? Where are we at? I tweaked the GPS in his joint and said, yo, I don't know where he's faced. Oh, it's solid. Yeah. Pretty solid, yeah. That's why I was filming on the phone too. This shit's nuts, man.
Oh, it looked like Xavier.
Yeah, bro. Oh, yeah. Straight challenge. Put me in anything with an engine in it, bro. I don't give a fuck what it is. And then you can be a normal citizen. Look, now we're driving normal. Just 2 lanes or one? Just to figure it out, Joe, huh?
You feel like a bitch in the passenger. You just get tossed around. Wow. JDM. She's singing.
She is, bro. She really is. Woohoo! Woohoo! That's what it sounds like.
Exactly.
Bro, like, you can just hear the turbos without even like you don't even gotta be extra.
Shit, that's some lemonade for those kids.
Oh, we can spin back.
Shit.
You wanna do it right now?
Yeah. Make their day. They got their attention on that one. What's up, man?
What's up, bro?
How many?
Respect the grind, 2, please.
2? We have 2
We got regular lemonade and strawberry kiwi.
The first bullet did. You don't want to spill the lemonade though.
Oh, he already did.
Did he? Shit, which one is this one?
Regular.
Regular? Thank you, brother. Man, y'all stay safe out here, man. Have fun.
Cheers. We in the middle of Reading with it. Oh shit. We're going to Turkey Hill. I know he's hot. Oh shit, bro. Turkey Hill.
I'm like a redneck. Give me the fucking bottle.
Yo, fat. You said what?
Let's look at the back heel.
It's bad? It's red?
Yeah.
The first sunny day, bro. You got the forehead too?
Right. Who'd you vote for? Oh, I can tell.
Oh, geez, no comment, bro. Thank you, brother. Oh, yeah. You could have told me, bro. That's why I bought the gallon.
That's alright. I told you I already bought this.
I know.
Yeah, no way.
Hear that sound, bro?
Dude, the upshifts are fucking crazy.
Atrocious.
They shift so fucking hard and smooth.
It's like a quarter throttle, not even. Just to hear the turbo. And you're right, those upshifts are retarded.
Dude, crazy. It is fucking crazy. Fuck that turd. See? It's fucking quick, dude.
Those upshifts are retarded.
It actually feels, this feels on par with the Ocean Cop.
Where?
Right there. He's staying, he's not coming out.
Let's go! Thank you, officer.
That's
Let's go!
crazy, that is fucking crazy.
Let's go.
This actually this is how fast the E63 felt.
Really?
Probably lighted up by the municipal building.
Hell no. I ain't like shit up after he saw me.